What's up, guys? I don't know when was the last time I recorded to you, but today I was like uh, taking a nap. No, I watching TikToks in the bed behind me. And I remember that I didn't record things like 3 days or 2 days ago, and I want to become a better English speaker. So I just came here to talk. I don't have any specific subject to speak, and let me just talk about what I'm doing, what for these days. um I think I'm becoming a stronger man because of the gym. I think I finally will achieve a fit body, but my my meals, my lunch boxes ended. They were finished, so I need to think if I will buy another or I will just eat like my houses. That's that's it. Because during all my life, the hardest thing for me was eat a lot to gain muscles and mass. So I started to buy lunch boxes. And they are easy and like prax um praxis praxis. I created a blog and I put work on my personal brand, my image, uh, personal image, personal image. I'm I didn't start to record my verse, but I will probably tomorrow. I will get views, and I think the videos are going to be fast because I know everything. I don't have a script, but I think I don't need a script. I just will turn on the camera and record my screen, my PC screen or my notebook screen. And that's it. Let me think. What will be the title of this video? Uh, Probably something like I'm asleep. No. Uh, what's the word we use when you need to go to the bed? A nap. Let me see. Sleep. Uh, Sleepy. Sleepy. I'm sleepy. That's it. I'm sleepy. Oh, gosh. Bocejar. Yawn. What? Weird word. But that's it, guys. Good night.